Welcome to this majestic waterside manor in one of the most iconic coastal locations imaginable in Tasmania. Here we are at 16 Freycinet Court, looking out over Great Oyster Bay, Shooten Island, the Freycinet Peninsula, with the dolphins, the seals and the whales at your doorstep. Come on in and have a look. Absolutely beautiful. Manicured gardens on a large allotment. This beautiful home and the best the world has to offer on the other side. Whatever you do, call myself, Warren Lashmar, or Leanne Dan from Knight Frank, Tasmania as soon as you can.